All right. So it seems OnlyFans, the educational website, the website that shows you like the human version of Discovery Channel, National Geography. So OnlyFans is now going to be no more fans. Oh my goodness. Oh, the sadness that I feel. One second, let me get this proper. I remember a couple of young girls from India and even UAE telling me, this is not proper. Let's get this. Couple of girls from India and UAE, even UK. In fact, I was surprised when number one Indian girls, actual Indian girls born to Indian families, were asking me about OnlyFans. They booked my session, take personal branding for OnlyFans. Gone are the days where, you'd feel ashamed about something. Like, there were days when I was young, if a girl wore a slightly, so much, she showed so much of her shoulders, or she wore a jeans trouser with one cut. Oh, you would get, if you're an animal, you'd get called out for animal abuse. The parents would bloody take a cane. For those Westerners who are watching my channel, our Indian people had something called chappal. Chappal means slipper. And it's a very powerful medicine. Huh? Anytime you would misbehave or you would act too smart or your ego would go beyond what it's supposed to be, or you forget your place, this device called chappal, you can Google search chappal. Very powerful medicine. Couple of, like vaccine, like vaccination. Couple of shots from the chappal, senses would come back. So I come from the days where there was something called shame. There was something called decency. But today's day and age, if you show your boobs and you show your body parts, you bend over, show your rear end and open your legs and show that opening in between the leg, which I call flesh wound, open flesh wound. People pay money. Oh wow, yummy. They pay money. So, and they call themselves porn stars. Porn stars. They even have porn star awards where they show this girl is getting something from the back, like Mia Khalifa. She cries. I felt like I was taken advantage of when she came on BBC Hard Talk, and then she went back to OnlyFans. So this OnlyFans, this creative outlet, is now shutting down. Not shutting down. They're going to stop explicit material. Now, I don't know what it means. Are they shutting down showing pornographic material? Are they shutting down hardcore porn, like triple X, like show full sex? Or are they only going to allow, okay, you want to show your body parts, show that, or you can show, pleasuring yourself, or is it total ban? See, because now what happens is, if OnlyFans stops this, I mean, that was the core reason why people went to OnlyFans, so that you could fulfill your fantasies and interact with those superstars or stars or those individuals, and for a sum of money ask them to do things like when you meet a girl or a guy, you have certain fantasies. Oh, I wish I could see this. Even I get messages, Loy, you're tattooed all over, wish I could see your genitals. I get guys, I get girls, I get gays. Loy, I wish I could see. That's why my video that is there where I'm getting the surgery. I'm naked on the table. My legs are open. You can see my package. People are like, oh shit, Loy, I saw you naked. Baba, it's the same thing what you have, what I have. Only thing you want to see tattoos. There are no tattoos there. So that operation that I had, bariatric, I didn't know I didn't know I was going to be fully naked on the table. The video camera production crew busy filming. Anyway, so what I was saying was, yeah, one more thing. People say, if you knew that you'd be naked, would you have still allowed? Yeah, naked. What is there? You and I are naked. When you go to the shower, we don't cover. It's normal, man. It's just a bloody body part. We are like, ooh, boobs, oh, vagina. Only when we are turned on. I tell people it's all in the head. When you see your mother, your daughter, your sister, let's say your mother is lying down, she's sick and she's naked. Are you going to, oh, wow, oh, check the boobs? It's all in the head, man. Why you don't feel anything sexual when you see your mother naked or your sister, let's say she met with an accident, she's naked. Do you start masturbating there? No. You know, this human being is my flesh and blood. You don't think anything. You don't, when you look at your daughter, unless you have some mental issues or psychological issues. It's all only during the moment of sex where we kind of use emotions and lust. Okay, anyway, coming back to OnlyFans. So this platform, which became famous for pornographic material, to, where lay people, normal people who nobody would take seriously, for money, you can interact with physically attractive looking individuals and fulfill your fantasies, give them money. Well, you can get them satisfied. So now this is stopping it. Now, what is my analysis? If OnlyFans stops pornographic material, you have lost the very essence of being popular. I mean, that is the reason why you're popular, right? It's like Instagram stops photo sharing, or Facebook stops sharing content or connecting with people you know, or YouTube says, okay, we stop videos. I mean, then what is the purpose of being there? See, in a crowded marketplace, this is branding 101. In a crowded marketplace, if everyone's doing the same thing, the person who does something extra or exclusive stands out. That is why cars, you have many, many car brands. But Rolls-Royce says we are the most bespoke, expensive car. McLaren doesn't say luxury. McLaren says, okay, the fastest or whatever. Bugatti, sorry. Lamborghini says, fast speed or, funky looks or, that amazing speed looks at affordable price. Volvo says, oh, okay, this is safety first. Then Tesla says, okay, electric, the future. Toyota says the family car. Lexus says, okay, luxury, affordable. So you need to differentiate. And what differentiates OnlyFans is whoever you admire. Do you have any sexual fantasies? Well, if she is on our platform, she will, satisfy those fantasies for a fee. I'm being honest with you. I do check porn once a week when I have to, give myself a little bit of pleasure. After all, I'm human. No? Okay. Don't, oh, Loy, you masturbate. Shut the fuck up, man. We all masturbate. My sad story is I do it once in a week now because I'm so into work. Before I used to do it, I think 10 times a day. When I was young, man, fuck. Man, testosterone, I had oozing. Blah. But now I'm blah. My wife sometimes says, you are a playboy? Yeah. Oh, my wife says, what playboy you are? You hardly have sex. Anyway, let's get away from my sex life. So, it's the very thing that made you so famous, the reason why people jumped on your platform, you are abandoning that And that also for a round of what do you call that? Investors. What I feel, this is my analysis, okay? This is my analysis. Not read through the article. I didn't want to just read the whole thing. But I prefer, the Guardian. So this Guardian, what they were saying was, Lad Bible was also there. Okay. So the Guardian, what they said is, here it is. OnlyFans, the subscriber-only website, synonymous with pornography, has announced it will ban adult material from the site due to pressure from payment processors. I don't think it is only payment processors. See, MasterCard, Visa, banking, payment systems, they don't have a problem with porn. But if you notice why Pornhub got into problem, when there were females who, females and their claims, where there were females who claimed that they were forced or they were raped, and they fucked it up for everyone. Yeah, I'm not trying to make fun of those who were actually raped. Now, if it is an actual legit case, I don't find it funny and I will not joke about it. I'm being serious, okay? And if they were underage girls, or that to me is tantamount to, yes, you should jail these people for life. So there are certain things I don't find funny, but there are a lot of people who fake claims for easy money. And given this day and age where you get people who make court cases, 60 years ago he molested me. 60 years ago. Fuck, I can't remember what I did 60 minutes ago. 60 years ago, like that Bob Dylan court case, lawsuit. When I was 12, 50 years ago. Why did you keep quiet for 50 years? Why? Woke up now only? When you're going to die. Anyway, so I don't think it is payment processors. I think it is danger of lawsuits. The lawyers, the team of legal experts, maybe they got a whiff that you might get legal cases. So now the owner has decided, okay, OnlyFans reached its peak. I will give it a very high evaluation, make it a public company, sell off all my shares, and ride into the sunset as a billionaire. I just feel this is becoming a pump and dump scheme in shares. This is my gut feeling. I can be wrong. See, I'm no investor. This is not financial advice. I'm just telling you how, when you see a picture from far, you have a bird's eye view, you kind of have a feeling what's happening. Okay, so they're saying payment processors. But now if you ban the very thing that gives you the maximum money, there is no payment. You don't need a processor. Okay. Then they say the company will continue to allow some posts to contain nudity, but any content containing sexually explicit conduct will be banned, and the site will focus on more mainstream content. If you have to see nudity, you can just go to Twitter. One idiot was searching for a job. I don't know what the fuck was in his head. You're searching for a job, please help me. This said, send me a CV. And then he started being chatty with me, and before I know it, he sends me some Twitter links to sex videos. Imagine he's asking me to help him with a job and he wants my services. And he said, I blocked him. I was aware Twitter has some adult content. I didn't know it was so explicit. So there was some content on Twitter. In fact, see, listen. If you have to get porn content, Google search. Take a VPN, Google search. You will get Pornhub, Xvideo, XXX, porn.com. There's so many websites here. I mean, my WhatsApp group itself, these guys get around 200, 300 videos. I don't know from where. Per day, sometimes 100 videos they will send. I'm like, what the fuck, man? Small videos, that you can share. So there's no ending to porn. Now, if OnlyFans, which made it unique and exclusive, you stop this, I'll tell you what will happen. New competitors, right now, after this news was shared, I'm 100% sure there is some website, some businessman somewhere in the world saying, okay, fine, let's start OnlyFans, like a OnlyFans, Only Pleasure, or something like that. They'll say, we don't need crowdfunding. Just come here. They will give them easier terms. They'll say, okay, we'll take lesser commission. We'll promote you. So, the London headquartered outlet has exploded in popularity during lockdown. I think maybe because they are in the UK, they are afraid of the laws. Because if you are in China, forget China. If you are in some godforsaken country where they're like, I don't know, Sweden or Uzbekistan, or I don't know, some country where they don't give a fuck, they wouldn't have cared. Bringing billions of pounds of revenue, more than 130 million users, subscribers, to pay to chat with creators. Funny name. What do you create? Showing your holes. Although OnlyFans insists it has a wide range of people creating material, ranging from chefs, yoga instructors, the popular content on the site is pornography. Yeah, let's not bullshit ourselves, huh? OnlyFans said the ban will come into effect in October. Fuck. These females some of the females came online on YouTube. They had interviews. My goodness. The ego. Oh, I'm a OnlyFans. Oh, she's a superstar. Thank you. And they're acting like as if they won the Nobel Peace Prize and yeah, so great. I mean, just because you look good and you're showing your body parts, what's the ego for? You're a online virtual sex worker, man. Come on. Agreed. Okay, you work hard and try to get a good physique. You control your diet. But that makes you like a gym coach. Only thing is you offer visual stimulation, right? And there are some who not only offer that, they like you and you're rich. Let's meet up. So what creators? OnlyFans said, okay, it's going to have from October the ban. Rather than lose its ability to take payments, which will kill its business altogether, they have chosen to ban the adult material which made its name. So instead of killing your website, all of a sudden, not altogether, you have decided, let's kill it slowly while we try to get another option. I'm pretty sure they are asking for time so that they can do another new company or... See, when you lose your uniqueness and you become like the rest, people will stop following you, man. Payment processing companies increasing control what pornography sites are able to host. Last year, Visa and MasterCard briefly banned payments to a website owned by giant MindGeek that was hosting revenge porn, which is unacceptable, and deleted tens of millions of unverified videos, even from Pornhub. OnlyFans has enabled sex workers to earn returns on the income up to 20% of their total income, and many creators claim they have had financial freedom. Axios suggests 16,000 creators earn at least $50,000 annually from the site, but it has been faced political and regulatory scrutiny due to its exploitative material. US Congress men and women demanded the Department of Justice investigate OnlyFans. I think this is more for the legal troubles. They don't want to get into legal trouble. And because of this, investors who wanted to invest, they have started to back off. Even Patreon has started to remove sex workers who try to build an audience. So then they say, okay, we are committed to the highest level of safety and blah, blah, blah. You know, the typical management speeches which scriptwriters give. In 2018, it was banned. Adult material was banned by Tumblr. Facebook and Instagram also banned on sexual content to it is now one of the leading platforms that allows pornography. Okay, so it seems later on it was founded by 2016 Essex, ESSEX, Essex-based Stokely family, who continue to be the public face of this company. However, corporate filing shows the US-based online pornography veteran Leonid Radvinsky is now who keeps a low profile. Pornography by itself is very common, but when you start going mainstream, crowdfunding, and you become too big, no, you attract a lot of attention. So anyway, according to me, either they are buying time to have another platform that, you know, this company is going to be publicly funded where we can take your money, and we will create another company, you know, secretly, only pleasure or something, and we'll divert the funds there. Either that, which is anyway illegal, or they're just waiting to get this company public, get the money of investors, then the owners will sell off the shares, sell it to another person when it's at its peak, and ride off into the sunset. Remember what happened to MySpace? The owner sold his company completely and now vanished. Or they're just trying to prevent a lawsuit from taking place, or federal investigators from digging up anything. Otherwise, for OnlyFans to say no to billions of pounds, billions, which they're getting, and that also within 1 month, something is wrong. Anyway, this is what I wanted to share with you guys. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. You agree, disagree, what do you feel? Love to hear your thoughts. Okay, you guys take care. Me signing off.